It's like a pigsty here. Everything is filthy. Tell me, is this what I'm paying you for? You're going to clean up this entire inn. Otherwise, you're going to get a taste of my whip. You two come with me.
Hey, who are you? How did you get in here like a thief? Now you're going to get it.
Who are you? Master Pietro.
Recently I heard that you've been giving out assignments to a man named Oruç, is that right? Is that true, Silvio?
It is true, sir. We work with him without deviating from the laws of UNITA at all.
So you do work with him, huh? You have a business together. Listen to me, you fool. Money doesn't matter to me at all. The trade that you're in does not interest me in the slightest. I do believe that bookkeepers should deal with it. There can only be one reason a man like me would come to a place like this. You know what that is? It's so that I can cleanse the entire ocean of Muslim sailors. And then I shall get out of this hellhole and leave this place. Tell me, have you forgotten about our mission, Silvio?
I have not forgotten, sir.
In that case, why are you allowing a man like Oruç to become stronger and more famous, to make a name for himself, by giving him assignments all the time? That man is more dangerous than he appears. The head of a snake must be crushed while young. I'm going to explain it to you again, since it seems that you hit your head. Imbros Island, Tenedos, Limni, Tassos, Euboea, Samothrace, and then there's Lesvos. Sultan Mehmet. Sultan Mehmet is the one who has taken these islands from us. And now there are only Turkish flags flying over this land, and the sounds of Ezan are echoing. We'll get those islands. We'll get all the islands back, won't we, Silvio? And don't disappoint me again, understood?
You have nothing to worry about, sir. Don't worry, sir. Don't worry, I won't let Oruç grow any stronger than he already has, sir.
You won't allow it, is that right? I think that you should start with hiring more competent men to work for you. I would suggest that your weakest man should be just as strong as Oruç.
Father, what's going on? Who is he?
This is a tradesman I know, Mr. Alfonso. And this is my daughter Isabel.
It looks like Mr. Alfonso is still a child, since he's walking around here like some hero in a cape. I've never seen such a tradesman.
Well, I am so very happy that you like it, Senorita. I must admit it is also the first time that I see such beautiful and gorgeous flowers grow in Alexandria. They told me these lands are barren. Clearly they were lying as they haven't seen you.
We have many flowers here, it's true. But the flowers here are thorny and poisonous. Be careful.
Thank you very much for the sensible warning, then. Solita, señorita. Mr. Silvio?